this is Trina. Welcome to my humble homestead, and we're going to have a quick garden side chat. Thank you so much to all the responses I got for the dehydrating potatoes. So many of you were asking about rehydrating them and how it works. So I'm going to do a quick video and show how I'm going to rehydrate these potatoes. Super simple. I just have some boiling water here. These are the sweet potatoes because that's what I wanted to make today. So I just put them in a dish and I pour the boiling, oops, I'm spilling a little bit. Pour the boiling water over there and I just kind of eyeball it. Now it looks really watery right now, but I'm just going to keep stirring. And I usually let them sit about 10, 15 minutes because they'll thicken up. These also work really great as like the regular mashed potatoes and the sweet potatoes. You want to use them as stew thickeners, thickeners for stuff. So as you see, they're starting to thicken, but I am going to let them sit for a while. And then I will come back and show you what they look like. Because they do need about, right now they look like baby food, if you want to, but I will let them thick. I'll come back and show you what they look like. Okay? All right, thank you. Okay, so this is after about 10 minutes. As you can see, they are a great consistency here. I personally like to put butter and little pepper on them. I don't really need salt on them. You can make them however you like, if you like a little brown sugar, whatever. So you can see they're a great consistency. They taste like fresh sweet potatoes, you guys. I'm not kidding. Sometimes, like even with the regular potatoes, they have the little chunks in them or whatever. I don't mind that personally, but some people don't like it. So I just use my little immersion blender and whip them up so they're smooth as can be. But there you have it. Look at that. Perfectly mashed sweet potatoes, just instant. All I used was this boiling water, and you can just do a little bit at a time if you want, and then I usually eyeball it. It's usually 2 parts potato, 1 part water, and then about 10-15 minutes. That's it. That's how you do your sweet potatoes, or even your potatoes are the same way. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. I ordered some organic herbs from a company because I know it's going to be a while before mine grow. And I'm really getting into herbalism. So because I have the migraines and things like that, I went over in one of my other videos. So I'm going to, in an upcoming video, once I get those, I'm going to start out with making just some home remedies with some like chamomile, feverfew, things like that. And so, yeah, looking forward to that coming up in some videos after I get my herbs. But anyway, and please share and subscribe. I appreciate it so much. Have a great day and be blessed.